Hi there. Welcome to our video on the essential items for a comprehensive car emergency kit. Today, we'll show you what every driver should have in their vehicle to stay safe and prepared. First up, a first aid kit with band-aids, antiseptic wipes, gauze, and adhesive tape. Safety first, right? Next, a flashlight with extra batteries. You never know when you might need to check under the hood in the dark. Now onto a tool set, including a multi-purpose tool, wrenches, pliers, and a tire pressure gauge. These will come in handy during unexpected breakdowns. Don't forget to pack a reflective vest and warning triangle to ensure you're visible to other drivers in case of an accident. Speaking of accidents, having necessary contact information like your insurance company and emergency services numbers is crucial. It's also wise to have some essential car fluids, such as engine oil, coolant, and windshield washer fluid in your emergency kit. Jumper cables are a must-have. They can be a real lifesaver if your battery decides to give up on you. Now, let's talk about sustenance. Non-perishable snacks like granola bars and bottled water can keep you fueled and hydrated during unexpected delays. In case you get caught out in the rain, a waterproof poncho and extra blankets will help keep you dry and warm. A reliable phone charger or a power bank is essential to keep your communication devices juiced up when you need them most. If your tires go flat, having a spare tire, jack, and lug wrench can save you from being stranded. An all-weather emergency blanket can be a lifesaver in extreme weather conditions, so make sure to add it to your kit. Keep a pen and a notepad handy to write down important details about an accident or mark any damages on your car. Duct tape. This trusty tool can temporarily patch up minor car issues until you get professional help. A fire extinguisher is a vital addition to your kit. Let's hope you never need it, but it's always better to be prepared. A small supply of cash can be helpful in case you need to pay for unexpected expenses or tolls during an emergency situation. Lastly, it's crucial to have your vehicle's manual to understand how things work when you're facing a problem. Remember, having a comprehensive car emergency kit is like having peace of mind on the road. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you next time.